Huh? Meeting? A female deer. What's that? Eh?
He's a deer. Oh my dear.
Deer.
Look,
What is that? What are you eating?
He's a deer meat. Deer.
What is there?
Deer.
You didn't know deer?
The famous in Australia.
Okay, I will eat it. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria.
Small pieces.
It's more tender than
Today I called Seth. I want to meet with
I have to take the meat that I have just consumed. I'm done with deer. Prawns I did. Chicken wrap, yes, I did this one. Ostrich, not yet. Lamb legs, chicken, grilled beef brisket. Lamb I did. Picanha, tenderloin, cheesy beef, not yet. Turkey, yeah. Chicken, grilled pineapple, no. Ooh, beautiful. Mono. One more. First time to eat a deer. A female deer.
yeah, what's that?
Deer.
Deer. Deer Ate Charo.
You know, he
Linisin mo yung labo.
patak na nga.
Kuya, what can you say?
Yeah, very full. Abunada celebrated something and he invited us over for a dinner. And wow, what a dinner. Different kinds of meat. From deer to ostrich to lamb, fish, shrimp, and many, many others. Wow, beautiful. Nice. Ay. Ay, wow. It's a movie nice. Dates.
Cappuccino, coffee, French coffee.
Hot chocolate yan.
Yes, that's all. Okay. What do you want?
Ayan, kalis pa tuloy. What is that?
Pinto mo.
Thank you very much. Wow. Thank you. Lemon. We are here at the coffee shop. luxurious coffee shop here.